Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best automatic welding machine reviews. H7 3IN1 MIG welding machine. 1. Welding material: iron, stainless steel, galvanized sheet, carbon steel, copper. 2. This all-purpose multiprocess welder handles flux core gasless MIG, lift TIG, or stick welding. 3. MMA ARC mode fits rods, E7018, E6013, E6011 meet your welding needs. 4. Use synergic adjustment control system to realize precise and stable wire feeding.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.